Yeah.
Today it's the 14th of July 2025. We have Vuorikatu 8 in Heinola, Lapland region, Finland. Capacity is 4 persons or 320 grams weight. The ambient pictures.
Yeah.
Has also the was operated in the early 1990s, built in 1972. And its number is H28347. Steps are working on.
Yeah. Inspected by inspectant, maintained by Kone.
The sound system here.
Same here.
Yeah, well, that's it. Thanks for watching.
That's